So for instance, if I want to differentiate x squared, let's do it one after the other. What am I supposed to get? Thank you. I'm going to get 2x. Right? But if I want to differentiate 3xy, what am I going to get? I will have to use product rule. Right? And product rule says what? Differentiate one, keep the other, plus differentiate the other and keep the first one. Is that not so? Now, let's see how we can differentiate 3xy. 3xy, since this is a constant, we can treat it as a constant. This is a constant 3, right? Differentiate x, you get what? 1. I will keep y, so I am keeping y. Plus, now differentiate y, what will you get? You get 1. If you differentiate y, you get 1. You now multiply it by your the y with x, and you're keeping what? X. So we have x, then we have our what? The y upon the x. Is that also fantastic? Lastly, we have this guy, 2y squared. If I want to differentiate 2y squared, what am I going to get? Fantastic. 4y. If I differentiate 3, what will I get? 0. Fantastic. So all you have to do is to put them back. So you have 2x plus, if you like, you can multiply out. If you like, let's multiply out. We have 3y. Is that also? Plus what? 3x, the y upon the x. Right? We are now here. We differentiated this one. We have 4y. Is that also? We'll now add it here to be 4y. Then we have your equal sign. Then finally you have differentiate 3. You get what? 0. Fantastic. Now, they say at point -1, -2, which means, first of all, I must obtain the value of what? The y, the x. Is that not so? But look at this. When you differentiated y, you must also add what? The y upon what? The x. Is that not so? Fantastic. So if that is the case, you are also supposed to apply the y upon the x over here is equal to what? 0. Is that not so? So what else can you do? What else can you do? You have the y dx here. You also have the y dx here. But I don't have the y dx here. Is that not so? So I can move this across the equality sign. I can do that. So if I do that, this will remain and this will remain on this left-hand side. Now, also, there is the y dx here and there is the y dx here. I can factor it outside. Is that not so? So if I put this dy dx outside, for instance, if I put it the y upon the x, if I put it outside, I have factored it. What is remaining here? Fantastic. 3x. What is remaining here? Plus 4y. Can you see how I factored it? Now, but what will be across the equality sign? What am I moving? I will move this guy first. It will be what? Minus 2x. I'm going to move this one also. So it's going to be what? Minus 3y. Can you see? And similarly, what I will do to this part of the equation, for me to be able to separate this dy dx, I must divide both sides by what? Yes. Because if I divide both sides, this side will cancel out. I will be left with dy dx. Is that not so? Good. So I have dy upon dx. I have 3x plus 4y. I will divide it by the same 3x plus 4y, so that this other side of the equation, 2x minus 3y, I can actually divide it to with 3x plus what? 4y. Is that not so? Good. So this side and this side can do what? can cancel out. And I am left with the y dx is equal to what? Minus 2x minus 3y upon 3x plus 4y. Please, who has any question before I continue? Okay, so you don't have any question. The next thing you're going to do now is they say, what is this same dy dx at the point minus 1 and minus 2? It's very simple because this is just x and this is what? Y. So what am I supposed to do? I'm going back to my result which I have obtained. Do you understand? And anywhere I see x, I'll put what? Anywhere I see y, I'll substitute what? And that's that. And that's all. So how cool is that? How simple is this? The only difference is that anytime you are differentiating y, make sure you include what? The y dx. And anything concerning implicit differentiation is going to be as simple as A, B, C, and what? And D. Are we together? Now, I'm going to evaluate this at what point? I'm going to substitute, first of all, 2 into x. X is what? Minus 1. Can you see? Minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 3. Minus 3 into what? What is y? 2. So I'm going to divided by 3 into, we have 3 into what? Minus 1 plus 4 into what? 4 into what? 4 into 2. Now it's very simple. You cannot use your simple arithmetic. Minus 2 minus 1 is going to be 2. 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2. Divided by 3 multiplied by minus 1 minus 3 plus what? 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So you're left with what? Minus 4 upon what? As simple as that. As simple as A, B, C, and D. Oh. I know. I want to stop it.